and bumpy, but with my new suspension, it's just like so much nicer. You have no idea. This is like the first real backcountry that I've done since I changed my suspension, and oh my gosh, just make the drive way smoother. Yes, we arrived, Kitty. We arrived. Little fireplace, river, and a mountain. What a cool place. Wow. It's got so many like places you can camp here. It's crazy. Wow. It's a little bit windy though. I'm not sure if we're gonna have a campfire. Alright, you can go out too. Hello, Cozy. Come say hi to Kitty. Come say hi to me. Oh, so while we were driving, we had a couple of things falling. Typical when you go in the backcountry, always a little something that falls. It's kind of like one of the sounds. You just poof, you hear it. This cover doesn't have like a lock though. Those one have those ones. Once in a while they're gonna unlock, but this is the one who opened today. This one only have those super small little lock, which like most of the time just to regular road it's okay, but when things just push into the door, they open in the backcountry most of the time. So I'm just gonna make some little corn for lunch because I need to eat them, and I might start a fire. I'm kind of debating right now. It's kind of like a mix of windy and start get windy and little wind gusts, so keep my eyes. Maybe I'm gonna try to find a place a little bit more in the shade. If I made a fire, I'm looking to maybe have a apple crumble on the Dutch oven. Would be good. It would be a good dessert for the afternoon. But for now, let's just keep an eye on the weather and eat some corn for lunch right now. As I was finishing my corn, I was wondering why Kitty was over there. Might be because of this big boy inside her bed. Oh, you going? What are you doing there, Cruzy? You stole Kitty's bed. So I just made a little fire ring here. We cut a couple of wood, falling wood, and I'm going to just right here. It's pretty windy from all over the place, so it's hard to find like a good spot. And like we have like a couple of minutes, like it's just like down, no wind. So yeah, hopefully it's gonna work. Our mountains slowly disappear. I hope it's not rain coming. Hope not. Please take time, Cruzy, to steal my chair. Or in fact, that's your chair that I was stealing. Alright. Fire is doing alright. I'm gonna go inside and prep everything. You gonna stay here, Cruzy? To make apple crumble, because I don't know if I said, but I'm making apple crumble is this time of the year, I guess, where the apple are great, and I thought it would be great to have a little mid-afternoon dessert. So the only thing in the apple crumble, I think of the original recipe that vegan cannot really eat, is butter. So I use the Earth Balance vegan butter. It's alright. They do make so many different kinds, but this is what I have right now. So I'm gonna melt some butter and put everything together. I'm gonna put the recipe that I found online in the description. I know people like when I do that. Okay, let's do this. What's the recipe? And I don't really have a mixing bowl, so I'm gonna use this and put that in the Dutch oven after. So there you go. This is what it looked like. And I changed the recipe because the first recipe that I found online didn't have any oats. Like like apple crumble without oat. Like, I don't know. It was just flour. I was like, what's that? It's supposed to have oat. So I find another recipe and like the base was pretty much the same. So should all work. All right, let's put that on the fire for 30 to 40 minutes. And should be really good, hopefully. Cozy, you gotta wait with me for the apple crumble? Hey. Yeah, yeah. You're like, I want some food too. In half an hour. Half an hour. Moving through. I already tasted a couple of minutes ago. We lightly burned the outside, but the inside was just needed a little bit more time, so I put another couple of minutes. Should be all good. Cozy, you're not gonna have my apple crumble. Let's try this. Right? Not bad.
It's got sugar in it, you can burn it. It's always good.
Always gonna be good with sugar. That's gonna be round number 2. We left the mountain and started a little bit of rain. Well, we almost done eating the whole thing.
Yep, putting it in the Tupperware.
Storage for the winter.
Oh yeah, we're about to get poured on.
Yep. It's coming. So people ask me, I clean my Dutch oven. Usually quite simple, just boiling some water. And it should be all clean after. Come on, bud, let's go. Just pack everything right in time to put to the mountain, but not anymore. Whew. Let's go, Kitty. Stay inside. Whew. Let me help you guys. There you go. A little bit better. Oh. Oof. Just in time. The van is a mess though. I didn't clean anything. Whew. It's just super windy and it's freezing rain, really, really cold. So I'm gonna pack everything, you know, clean everything. But by the way, we ate the whole apple crumble. I know, gross, whatever you want to call it. Was super good. Like the side was crispy, but we ate the whole thing burned. It was like not like burned too much, you know what I mean? It was just crispy. It was perfect. I left just a little bit less than half an hour. I think because there was so much wind that the cold was keep it warm, and like I had to remove a couple, but it was really, really, really good. I'm gonna make that again. It was super easy, super fast. I just make a mess. I always do make a mess when I make some dessert or anything like this. So yeah, let's clean that up. So I'm not even done finished cleaning and now sunny sky. Everything is beautiful. Oh. Nice blue sky. How funny is that? Everything is nice now. That was just a small little storm. I have no idea where it is. All blue, blue, blue. Blue over there, blue there, blue there. Tiny little cloud there. I don't know what happened. It just flew away. So this is the first little clean. I'm just boiling a little bit extra water right now. I'm gonna do a second little clean. I know they sell some product and I should look like once in a while maybe do a deeper cleaning. But usually like just with boiling water I'm able to really remove. They said to not put any soap in a cast iron because it kind of absorb if you want the soap. That's what I heard. I'm not a Dutch oven expert, so I'm just, you know, play with it. But yeah, I think deeper cleaning maybe eventually would be good. But yeah, just like really soaking water and putting like oil once in a while and just, yeah, greasing the whole thing. But did a pretty decent job cleaning. I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil and spray that a little bit. So some dish make a little bit more if you want get sticky and get bad. I probably should have put like a parchment paper. It's often what I do when I cook something sweet, just because it's just tendency to stick. But that should help for the next time. Alright, I just changed because I didn't want my clothes was smelling like campfire and I don't want to have that smell inside my bed. So I put that in the laundry basket and I changed. It's been so amazing to be... We're not in BC right now, we're still in Alberta, but it feels like home if you want. I've never been in that area, but I feel... Those mountains just make me feel home. Like it's just like, wow, come come see us. It's been great. It's been so nice to do campfire and relax too as well. My favorite thing, the mountain and the campfire. So I am so happy right now. So I hope you enjoy. It's gonna have more of those type of video and we're gonna hit the actual mountain right in bottom of it, which I cannot wait to as well to really see them. And I want to hug a mountain. Can I do that? I just want to be so close to them. All right, enough talking. I'm gonna let you with Miss Kitty, who's just beside me right now. Hey baby, do you miss the mountain? You? Yeah, don't care about the mountain that much, yeah. You just want to go outside. Alright, can we have a little kiss? Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? I was trying to sleep right now. I know. Alright. We're just gonna let you sleep and relax. I'm just gonna look at you while you sleep. Can we do that? She's like, what are you doing? Can I sleep? Can I have some quiet time? Alright. We'll see you in the next one, guys.